96 chapters behind on one series, 2 volumes behind on another. Which of those is the bigger evening? If you follow webtoons, manhwa, or light novels, you genuinely cannot answer that, and because no two series are counted the same way. A webtoon is counted in episodes, a translated web novel in chapters, a light novel in volumes, and a prepub release in parts. 4 units, 4 sizes, no way to compare them. So a plain reading list can tell you where you are, and never which backlog is the one to clear tonight. This workbook converts all of them into hours. Tell it the latest release, where you are, and how long one unit takes you. And it works out how far behind you are and what that is in hours. 96 chapters becomes 19.2. 2 volumes becomes 8. The catch-up queue then ranks everything you are behind on by those hours, fewest first. So the row at the top is the one you could actually finish this evening. Notice a manhwa, you are 23 episodes behind on sitting above a light novel, you are 2 volumes behind on, under 2 hours against 8. That inversion is the whole point. It also tells you the truth about your pace. My pace is not something you type. The workbook reads it out of your own reading log, the last 4 weeks, and sets it against how fast the series releases. If the series is outrunning you, it says not at this pace, rather than inventing a comforting number. And it counts what the reading costs. Coins are sold in packs, so a single episode never feels like money. Log every unlock, and the workbook computes cost per unit and cost per hour, and those two rank in opposite orders. A volume at $12.40 per unit is $3.10 an hour. A weekly FastPass habit at $1.50 per unit is $12.86. This week fills itself in from your update days, so you can see what actually lands each evening. With separate strips for the series with no fixed day, the ones waiting on a hiatus, and the ones with nothing more coming. There is also a platform guide, the 10 ways serialized reading is charged for, what each really costs, how to log it, and the trap in it. It quotes no prices deliberately. Platform terms change several times a year, and a stale number is worse than none. 8 tabs in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click Sheets copy and 3 PDF guides. No account, no subscription, a file you keep that still opens in 10 years. From Ardent Workshop.